sexy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? This is your homeboy Captain Manny. So today's video, guys, we're talking about the high prices that everybody's know and seeing. You know, we have oil, we have prices going up. But before the start of the video, guys, don't forget to subscribe right here to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, that will help me a lot. Also, if you want to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, I'll put the descriptions right here for you guys to follow me on my social media. So today's quick video, guys, is about prices that, you know, everybody knows that everybody knows that, you know, diesel is expensive, everything's going up, food is expensive. But also, if you want to buy a welding machine right now in 2021 and you're thinking you're gonna spend 16 or 17, I don't think so. So right now, guys, if you go to a Lincoln website, I haven't checked Miller, but if you go to the Lincoln website, you'll find out that they have the new Frontier 400X, which I'll put a description on a link right here on the video, so you guys check it out. It's a new welder that came out. Right now it's $18,000. That's the cheapest welding machine that you can get, diesel driving engine, all right, for welding. From there, if you want to get the baddest machine, the classic 300 MP with the Perkins and the custom mark, you know, it's gonna cost you $24,000, which is insane, because, you know, 2 years ago, 2019, I bought my classic 300 MP with the Perkins engine and R control for $16,000, guys. I thought it was too much. I thought it was a lot of money, but you know, I said, you know, I need a welding machine. I don't want to struggle with the old one, so I said, what the hell, you know, I went and bought it. So right now, guys, 2021 and probably 2022, if you guys wanna get a welding machine, you know, SA or a classic 300, it's gonna cost you $24,000. And if you wait more, it's gonna probably cost you $30,000 in the next years or so. God damn, man, you know, it's expensive, fucking crazy. So if your best bet is to go with the Frontier, but right now they only have the construction version. They don't have the pipe version. So I talked to a guy that sells welding machines, and he said January or February is when they're gonna have the pipe version. Also, you have the vintage and the cross country for 21, you know, 18, 21, you know. But yeah, cheapest one you can get is the Frontier X. And if you want to get a welding machine, you better act now, because, you know, I remember when I bought my 200 MP little welding machine, that one cost me, I think it was $900, and that was just the first years that came out. Like, it lasts for like almost a year. And then right now I believe it's $1,400, so it's $500 more than if you would have bought right when it came out. So if that Frontier 400X, that's good. They start selling a lot, people like it, they're gonna raise the price. So don't be surprised that in the next year or so, the Frontier is gonna be the same price as a classic 300. But yeah, guys, I don't know what's going on. I mean, everything's skyrocket, you know. Diesel is expensive, consumables, you know, welding rod, welding lenses, everything's expensive. All right, so right now I don't think it's a good deal to go and work under contract unless you have a bunch of consumables, because if you're gonna be buying your consumables, man, right now it's expensive. You know, diesel consumables, whew, they better pay good, you know, otherwise it's not worth it. So I don't know, guys, let me know what you guys think on the comment section below. You know, what's going on with these high prices? I mean, we're gonna end up paying, like I said, $30,000 for a welding machine. That's insane. But I guess that's what it is, and that's where it's going. So I would say, you know, if you can buy a welding machine right now, buy it, because it's gonna be more expensive later to get it. Like if you have an old machine that is acting up on you, or you've been thinking about buying a welding machine, right now is the time to get it before they go more expensive, which I think they're gonna go. So just go and get your welding machine right now before they go skyrocket again. But other than that, guys, Captain Manny here in Guanajuato, still chilling like a villain. I just finished harvesting my 10 acres of land. You know, everything's going perfect, 100%. All right. Probably next year I'll be going back to reality. But before we get there, stay tuned for a video. My welder did break down and I had to get it fixed. Still under warranty, but since I don't have my welding machine with me right now, I can't make a video about it. But stay tuned for that. But other than that, guys, just stay safe out there. God bless, and I'll see you on the next time. All right, bye.